Hello again. Now, you've probably seen me do a bit of Scots Gaelic and Cornish. Typically. Yeah. Stuff like that. Yeah, so you've probably seen me do a bit of Cornish and a bit of Scots. I'm going to try Manx today. Okay. Right. So I've got a card here, and it's got basic Manx on it really, and hopefully, you know, it is a very small language, so maybe if people start learning a few basic phrases, it'll encourage more people to learn the language and take it up and use it, of course. You know, if you know it, use it, definitely. Okay. Good morning is Mora Mai. Good afternoon or good evening as well is Faster Mai. Good night is Evi. Oh, that's right, Evi. Yeah, we'll see. If anyone can speak Manx, one of the lucky ones, just email me and tell me where I'm going wrong, basically. And or if you want to, you know, praise me as well, okay. Kiss Tau is how are you, and fine, you'd say brow. Similarly in Welsh, you'd maybe say brav for fine, and brow, you know. Another response would be, I'm well enough, and that's my fellow Lior. I'm pants at pronouncing these. Thank you is Gura Mayed. You know, you could use that anywhere really. You just come out of a shop, you know. Gura Mayed. Hopefully that's right too. Goodbye is Slen Liat. Yeah, I probably said all these wrong. But anyway, yeah, Slen Liat. And I'll see you, or goodbye, or, you know, another way of saying goodbye is Himu. Basically. And I think I'll leave it there until I, you know, find out properly how to pronounce them, and before I diss the Manx people anymore. So, sorry for the offend anymore. At least I'm trying. And that's that. So, diolch yn fawr, thank you very much. In Manx, go on my head. That was it.